Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some finger coils, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. I'm going to be washing my hair with the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Shampoo. This shampoo is very creamy. It didn't leave my hair feeling overly stripped or anything. That's good. And here, that's when I realized that I was doing my whole detangling process with my conditioner and I wasn't recording. So yeah, that was a bummer. I let the conditioner sit in for about 15 minutes and I use a Camille Rose Naturals Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. And this is how my hair is looking after I rinsed out the deep conditioner. Now sectioning my hair off into 5 sections, you know, just a regular standard sectioning off of my hair. For the coiling process, I'm using the Curls to Go from Jane Carter Solution Weightless Leave-In and their curling cocktail. These two combos are really good. It leaves my curls really soft and moisturized, so that's why I decided to go with this route. So starting off, I am just going to separate my hair and take like a smaller section and coat each strand with the curling cocktail, and then I twist my hair around my fingers to get a nice coil, just like that. And yeah, I haven't done this style in so long, and I was so nervous about doing this because the last time I did it didn't come out great, and look how shiny these coils are looking. Like, I was so in love with how they turned out. And for me and my hair texture, I know doing it small like this, I'll get the best results, because when I try to do it in bigger sections, it just looks like a whole bunch of worms or dreadlocks in my hair that I really didn't like. So doing it small like this works for my hair type and texture. So this is how it's looking when it's wet. I just love how shiny and just really sleek this thing is. And for the separation and fluff, I am using the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. This oil is so good. I love the smell of it because it smells like mint, and it's very lightweight. And for some reason, when I use this oil when I'm separating my hair, it just slips and gives it an extra shine. Like, I love the way the slip of it feels when I'm separating my hair, if that makes any sense. So I just take each coil, and wherever my hair separates, I just, you know, separate it and just twirl it around my finger in the same direction. So you can see I just did this one side and how it looks a little bit puffed up, and then the other side is flat because I didn't separate or fluff. So now that I did all of that to my hair, this is how it's looking. I didn't pick my hair out, but this is how the coils are looking after I separated them, and I absolutely love it. But you know, I go for volume, so I have to pick it out. So just picking out my hair to get the desired height that I want, and that's it. Overall, this process took me about 2 hours to do. I absolutely love the definition, and I love the way these finger coils turned out. And if you love them too, just give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and share this video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Toodles!